Hello guys, welcome to AdCrunch. I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we're going to talk about this text sniper application, which is a very amazing application if you are looking to capture the text out of the images, visuals, videos, or anything. So there are many cases when you can use this amazing application. If you're watching a video, you're watching a tutorial, you're watching a presentation, you're watching something where you are finding some text in images, video, or something, and you want to capture it instantly, and you don't want to wait about writing the text manually. And the text is in some density, and you can write it pretty with speed. So in that case, you can just use this application if you're a content writer. In that case, you can also use this application. You can copy the content which is restricted to be used, or there are some JavaScript used on the website which are disallowing you to copy the content, or there are many cases where you can get rid of writing the content manually, and you can just copy the screenshot and paste the content. Perfect. So it is like this screenshot application that I use. It's Lightshot. It's lightweighted and it works pretty fast, and it the use of it, like, it just stands for its use. And for minimal use, these kind of applications I would really prefer, because they come in very handy. So the use of it is very limited, and its size is very lightweighted, and so it will not impact the performance of my system, and that's why I'm using it. So this application lets you use it in the menu, and you can capture the text just by clicking on this button, or you can use a shortcode, just capture text and use it like that. And now you can come out any application. I would add one more note. I would say text sniper. Then I can paste right here, and you can see the text recognition simplified and all that, and it was from this. Okay, so what it did, it just added it to it. Probably because of it is adding all the text to my clipboard. So I will need to clear the clipboard text first, and I will need to remove it for now, and then I will need to capture the text, and then I can use it. And now you can say, yeah, it is pasted the text. And you can also go to any video, for example this one, and I can come over to any point where I can see the text clearly, then I can use it. You can say this area, and now you can go to notes application, and here you can paste it. So this is the same text which was on the video, you can see. So this way you can utilize this application, and it works pretty fine. And here are some couple of other features as well. It can read the QR and barcodes, and you can import from other iPhone and iPad, and you can also keep the line breaks on or off. You can make it additive clipboard. What is additive clipboard? You might have a question. So let me just give you an example. For example, if I'm watching this video and you want to keep on adding the text to the clipboard, and you want to paste it in one go, and you don't want to paste the text again and again on the board note application, so I will enable this additive clipboard. Now I would just capture the text, and I will capture this bonus entries first. It is added to my clipboard. Now I will keep on watching the video. I will come out here, and again I will use it, and I will copy, for example, this add interaction. And now I have two clipboard entries. One was bonus entries and one is add entry action. So both are added to my clipboard. Now when I paste it right here, Okay, first this was bonus entries, this add interaction right here. So both are added. Okay, so now when I again go over here and capture the text, integrations as well. So I have this bonus entries, this add interaction, and this integrations. Let's see if it pastes the text. First let's remove this. Let's paste it. Okay, it added the text. But what if I want that if I paste this text and it should not count integrations? So what you can do, you have two options. First, when you paste the text of your edited text, you can clear the clipboard history. Secondly, what you can do, you can just go to preferences and check this clear automatically option, so that whenever you paste the text with command V, all the text will automatically be cleared from the history, so the edited clipboard will work again like that. So I will keep it off because I don't use this kind of stuff. Like I do not add the text to my clipboard. When you want to, you can do it, and it's very helpful if you're watching some videos and you don't want to worry about all the time going to a noteboard and pasting the text, right? So in that case, you can use it. You can also enable text to speech. So whenever you paste any copy in text, it will speak the text. For example, here I enable this and capture text.
Text Sniper OCR simplified.
So it will speak the text aloud, whatever you select, and it will also copy the text at the same time. So you can also paste this as well here. Perfect. So this is how you can make use of this application. It is very affordable. You can buy it for just 1 Mac, you can buy it for 3 Macs, or you can buy an unlimited license. It's just for $12 if you buy the lifetime license or unlimited license or a lifetime, but the number of licenses are different. So if you go with $12, you will be able to save when you want to upgrade or want to have one more. And you can also check out the link in the description so that you can get some discount of $6.49. So at this price you are going to get 3 licenses, or you can say you are going to get 3 max license, which is costing around $9.99. It's also here $9.99. So at the price of $6.99 you are going to get this license. So in general you are going to get a license of $9.99 at the price less than 1 Mac license by using the link, or you can check out AppSumo page where you can find the deal. So this is all about Text Sniper. I hope you liked this video, and definitely this software can change the game and it can do wonders if you are making use of the content, or you want to copy the content out of the images, visuals, videos, presentations, or anything. So please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos like this, because I keep on bringing more and more tools on board and share them with you if they are of any use to you, and if they are helpful in the workflow of your businesses, in your work. So yeah, thank you so much. You can also subscribe or follow our Facebook pages and groups, and I would recommend that you join our group, because we can also interact and you can also share about new tools. You need any tutorial on them or something, and we can basically interact there. Okay, so I would recommend that you just join the group as well. I will leave a link in the description so that you can join our group. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Keep on watching our videos and stay connected. Stay blessed. Bye bye. Thank you so much.